Good morning and welcome back to the farm. Today is going to be another exciting day. We are getting new additions to our catch pen. You've probably seen a video on our YouTube channel where we got our new catch pen from All American Panel, and today we are actually going to be upgrading that. There's a few things we're going to change, and we're also moving the entire location of our pen. We love all of this. This is the part that we're replacing right here. We got this ArrowQuip chute, which is done really well, but this particular model only opens on one side. We need both sides to open, and our cattle are really long and big. So the other one we're getting is a bigger version of this. There's a lot more better things about the other one, but those are the main things. And then we're replacing our alleyway with an ArrowQuip one. All of our Gyr cows, when they're coming down the alley, they get their horns hung on these bars, and then they can't get back and forth, and they stress out, and then it just turns into a party. So we're gonna replace all of this with ArrowQuip, and the same thing here for our tub, the sweep gate. It will be all solid walls. For the similar reason, the cows really move a lot of this when they're pushing, so this will be all solid walled and replacing all the way down. A huge help to what we're going to be doing this week is that my parents are here from North Carolina, and my dad is really good at driving the loader, and so we have ordered some lime rock that will be here later today, and he is going to clear and level the new spot that we're putting the pen and put down lime rock and really get that ready. That's going to help everything stay level all the time. When we put this one in, I didn't level it really good, and it's on just sand. So over time it has sank and become uneven. And this is really gonna make a big difference when we're working cows and all of the gates close like they should, and the alleyway works like it should because it's all level and even. So that is the plan for this week. First things first is we have to take down this pen. We have to take down all the parts that we are trading in. We're dealing with All American Panel again, and they have 2 truckloads of stuff coming today, all that new equipment. And so we have to go ahead and get all this out, because when they get here, they're going to want to load it up. Basically, we have a whole week of a lot of taking down and a lot of building. The idea behind all of this is our driveway is right down here, so you can pull up, trucks and trailers can pull forward, and they'll be able to back right into the chute. And then when they leave, they can pull right back out this way and go back down the driveway. So they won't have to go over where the house is going to be and the feed and all. They'll be able just to come to this one area and pick up and drop off animals that way. Quite the illusion. Depending on where you're standing at, it looks flat, and with other angles it looks like it's not. It's amazing the amount of dust. It's the winter time, so it's a very dry season for us, and everywhere you walk, everywhere the machine drives, everything is just dusty. I don't know, I'm hoping the lime rock will kind of keep that down a little bit for the cows where they walk through. Right now this is the cloud, so hopefully that lime rock will kind of take care of that, since it's going to be a high traffic area for the animals. We still have to come almost over, like right here, and then all the way down. There's a little pink flag over there, pretty thick, so I think this might actually work out. Or we may end up needing only 1 or 2 more truckload fulls, which would be pretty awesome. He is very meticulous with this. He used to work at the construction company that my grandparents owned, so he's really good at getting everything nice and level and flat. As we got down to the very bottom of the lime rock piles, it was a lot easier just to take the little tractor and make a little wall and push the lime rock into the bucket of the loader. That way we weren't scooping up a bunch of extra dirt, and we didn't have to chase this lime rock pile all over. We ended up getting 2 more dump truck loads of lime rock, so a total of 5 loads for the whole pen. All right, he's got this all smoothed out just in time, because All American Panel is pulling in right now with 2 loads of stuff. So we're about to get busy unloading. It is the next day, we have finally gotten some rain. It's been months since we had any rain, so it's nice and wet out here. Cold winter day, but the pad is all done. And so now you can see behind me, we are mobilizing to set the pen up. So hopefully we can get at least half of this done today. Nice big pad, nice and stable. First gate coming over, the crew. And now we're just taking piece by piece from the old pen over there and taking it over here to the new side. This loader is crucial to all this stuff, man. If you don't have a machine, there's no way you can tow all this big heavy stuff by hand. So it is crucial to have a good machine on the farm. It's also crucial to have the perfect crew, even if they sometimes play around. After a couple of days of farm work, church work, getting this done in between, this is a momentous occasion. The final panel is about to go in. There it is, the final panel. This was a huge project, and we would still be doing it if it wasn't for my parents. So a big thank you to my mom and dad for all of your help. We will be doing videos reviewing the equipment and showing us working it. But for now, from myself, Logan, and all of the animals here at Hisway Farm, may God bless you, and we will see you on the next video.